You didn't fail at money. Your system failed you. And if you've ever set up a budget, a plan, or a routine, that worked for a week and then quietly fell apart. This is for you. That feeling has a name. And if it's been following you into your sleep, your work, your relationships, you're in the right place. This is personal finance system. Every video gives you one clear system to take back control of your finances. And today, we're not talking about what system to build. We're talking about why the ones you've already tried keep breaking. Because most people don't have a discipline problem. They have a system designed for ideal conditions. And real life doesn't happen in ideal conditions. There are 3 hidden design flaws behind that. And once you see them, you'll know exactly what broke your last attempt and what to fix first. Flaw 1. You built your system for your best self. Think about the last time you tried to get your finances together. It was probably on a calm day, maybe a Sunday. You had time, you had energy, you had good intentions. So you built something that made complete sense for calm you, focused you, organized you. But that's not the version of you that usually needs the system. And the real test is Tuesday at 9 p.m. You're exhausted, so work was a mess, the kids won't sleep, and some random charge just hit your account. That version of you is the one your system has to work for. And if it only works when you feel motivated, it doesn't really work. The fix isn't more discipline, it's lower maintenance. Anything you have to remember, automate it. Anything you have to decide over and over, decide it once in advance and write it down. The goal isn't a system you run perfectly. It's a system that keeps running when you're tired. Because the version of you that needs it most won't have the energy to run anything. Flaw 2. Your system has no circuit breaker. Here's what happens to almost everyone. One thing goes wrong, an unexpected bill, a chaotic month, a week where everything slipped. And instead of the system bending, it snaps completely. Then comes the worst part. You don't fix the one broken piece. You abandon the whole thing and tell yourself you'll restart when life calms down. That moment almost never comes. And that's not a character flaw. That's bad design. A strong system needs a recovery rule. One sentence, something like this. If I miss a month, I do one thing. On the first Sunday of next month, I check my numbers and keep going. That's it. No guilt, no dramatic restart, no waiting for the perfect time. A bad month shouldn't erase a good year. The strongest systems aren't the ones that never break. They're the ones that know how to recover. Flaw 3. And this is the quietest one, the one that does the most damage without you ever feeling it. Your system has no feedback loop. Most people set up a money system once and then let it run in silence. No regular check, no honest moment where they stop and ask, is this actually working? So small things drift. A new subscription appears, a spending category creeps up, an automatic transfer stops matching real life. And because nobody's looking, the drift keeps going for months, sometimes longer. You don't find out until your bank account no longer matches the life you thought you were building. The fix is one monthly moment, 30 minutes, same day every month. You look at 3 things: what came in, what went out, and whether you moved closer to your goal or further away. Not to shame yourself, not to rebuild everything from scratch, just to see it clearly. Because a system you never review slowly turns into fiction. Here's the part I really want you to remember. A lot of people think their system failed because they weren't disciplined enough, or didn't earn enough yet, or just weren't ready. But more discipline won't fix a system built for your best self. More income won't fix a system with no recovery plan. And waiting until you're ready won't fix a system with no feedback loop. The system was broken by design. And a broken system produces the same result, no matter how hard you work inside it. So before you build anything new, ask yourself one honest question. What actually broke your last attempt? Was it built for ideal conditions that never lasted? Did it have no way to recover from a bad month? Or did it run in silence until the damage was already done? Pick one flaw, name it, fix that one first. Because a system you can actually maintain will always beat a perfect system you abandon. Before you leave, open your notes app right now. Write down the one flaw that took down your last attempt. Then write one rule that would have kept it alive. That's your whole action from today. Just that. And if this helped, send it to one person in your life. Who keeps blaming themselves for a system that was broken from the start? Quick note. This is general education, not personal financial advice. You always make the final call.